Hi, this is Bert. Now I'm going to show you how to stay competitive on pricing across platforms. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Shopify, uh, look at the items that we're going to launch. I'm going to open up this first item here, and then we're going to scroll down. We see it's listed at $14.99, so I'm going to go ahead and check that against Amazon and eBay for the best price online. It looks like on Amazon it's at $9.94, and on eBay we have it at $8.79 plus $3.75 shipping. So it looks like $9.94 for the win is the lowest price. So we go back to the listing, and then under price we're going to go ahead and beat that price by a penny. Hit save. And if you have this product listed across your marketplaces under our marketplace listing tab, so if you've already listed this item, in this case we'll just show you how to list it again. The price doesn't update immediately, but it will update once you launch this product. So we're going to go ahead and launch that product. We're going to launch it on Amazon in this case. Let's launch it on Walmart as well. And lastly, we'll launch it to eBay. Scroll to the right. We're going to enable our best offer. We're going to make sure that the category is set correctly here. And of course, we've already set our business policies, payment policy, shipping, and return policy to ensure that this item will launch correctly. Now that item is launched with the lowest price on the internet. That's a good way for you to go through and ensure that you're listing starting off smart and correctly with your pricing. Each platform is going to allow you to play with pricing. What we like to do here is to ensure that we have the lowest price between Amazon and eBay, because they quickly allow you to search the item and see what those pricing requirements and competitive nature look like. So with that being said, stay competitive, get out there and get all your products listed as fast as you can. If you have any questions about how to stay competitive with pricing or how to launch your items, please reach out to your client success manager or on listerknot.com. Thanks for watching.